Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to apply for a Capital One credit card. First, open the Capital One app, go to Product Offerings and select Credit Cards. You'll be redirected to a page where you can check if you're pre-approved. Tap the pre-approval option to continue. Scroll down to explore the credit cards offered by Capital One. Find the one that best suits your needs. For example, the Platinum Mastercard, then tap Apply Now. Fill in your personal details, including your legal first name, middle initial, legal last name, date of birth, social security number, and citizenship status. Read through the terms and conditions carefully. Once you're ready, tap Continue and follow the remaining prompts to complete your application. And that's it. That's how to apply for a Capital One credit card. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.